All right, folks, we are doing a pickleback cocktail. I love pickles, so I hope this is good. You're going to start off with a couple ounces of bourbon. That's probably a couple ounces. About a couple ounces of pickle juice. I'm using Grillo's. About an ounce of lime. It's like I fucking live at a drag strip. And then a little bit of simple syrup. Stir it up. I swear I live at fucking Indianapolis 500 Speedway in the fucking pits or something. Bottoms up, tops down. Oof. Seven, 4 out of 10. It's okay. See.